Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll share a simple recipe for pizza with tikka flavor. First, cut the chicken into cubes and marinate with tikka masala, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Leave it for 2 hours. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and cook the marinated chicken for 10 minutes. Sauté red and green capsicum and 1 sliced medium-sized onion. Grate the cheese. For the dough, mix 2 cups flour, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon instant yeast with warm water, and let it rest for 20 minutes. Roll the dough, place it on a tray, spread pizza sauce, add cooked chicken and vegetables, top with grated cheese, and sprinkle oregano. Bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes, and serve it to your family. Enjoy your delicious tikka-flavored pizza. Please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.